Well, it's been a while, hasn't it? I got a little surprise for you guys today. I'll just show you in a couple minutes. Missed you guys, it's been a while. Let's start off with a little B-roll action on the little surprise. Peace. All these planes is exciting. I like airplanes. If I've never said it before, I've said it now, right here. Wow, that is really neat. I'm having fun over here at this airport, San Gabriel Valley in El Monte, watching the planes take off, land, getting some awesome pics. It's kind of hot out here, but anyways, missed you guys. Haven't seen you guys in a couple of weeks. Really busy setting a lot of events up for myself, and yeah, really busy. This is not the only stop I'm doing today. Got another surprise besides the airplane surprise. We're gonna go to a photo meet, but you will see where when I get there. I'll see you guys in a few minutes, and enjoy all the B-roll.